What up, bass heads? Sorry if the lighting's not so great. It's a little cloudy out. I'll show y'all here in a minute. You'll probably see it in the video when I do this little demo real quick. But just wanted to jump on here real quick, let you guys know. I sent the Slam Panda bass knob out to Zach. He's going to check it out. He's going to hook me up and send it back to me. So it's on its way. I've been really busy. That's why I haven't been able to post nothing, because I'm fixing to move. This might be one of the last videos. Maybe not, because I think I'm going to do another Sunday here, but at this property. Move out close to my work. Actually, it's one of my boss's houses, so that's what's going to be happening. I'll be real busy, but I'm going to try to film a little bit, show you a bunch of stuff I got in the shop back there that we haven't looked at in a while. I'm going to go through all that and put the American Bass 15s and the 10s in the original boxes, and then we're going to eventually get those recon once I get moved. Like I told you guys before, I had a lot going on. But I got this one song by Yellow Wolf, Pop the Trunk. This thing right here be slapping. So if you like this track when I do this little quick demo, and like I said, if the sun was out, it'd be better lighting. Like, I'll make another video Sunday, excuse me, because it's supposed to be really good day. It's gonna be really sunny, so we'll be able to see more. You know, see, this is like making me look all real white, and I'm kind of like red because, you know, you can see where I've been wearing a hat. I got the tan line. But yeah, we've been digging and putting water lines in. We got a lot done this week, so I'm kind of happy. But anyway, if you guys like this song, I'll make a music video of it so you can play in your ride from my USB to you guys right here on YouTube, of course. And then you'll be able to play it. I don't know how good it uploads to YouTube compared to the actual USB. You probably get better quality from the USB. Because I know when I played back one of the songs that I had put on YouTube, I can only put the volume at like 40, but I could put it like at 50 on my USB, so it's probably cleaner. But anyway, let's check it out. Oh, and I got some speakers in the house I'm going to show you guys in this video. I'll do that before I do the demo. Tony sent them to me, and he sent me a temporary bass knob until I get my other one back. Let me see. It's kind of got like a little short in it, but just one of those pack LC ones or whatever, but it works. That's one reason I can do the demo and got it going. Hopefully I didn't just short it out, but we'll edit and make sure anyway. So, and I only got the one 6K, the other 6K still in the house. All this moving and everything else, I'm gonna have to wait to get it fixed, but it's still bumping for just one, so we deal with it for now. But if you guys like that song, I'm gonna make that like I said, I'm gonna make another video after this. It might be up tomorrow or whatever, but I got to get some pictures to put in with it or whatever video to make it cool, so you guys can bump that in your ride. I like it. So check out this little demo real quick. Actually, check out these speakers by Tony, and don't forget to subscribe to Bass Junkie 2020 and join our Facebook group if you haven't already, and also hit me up on TikTok. That's at Bass Junkie 2020, all lowercase. And with that being said, check out these speakers real quick and stay tuned.
A few moments later.
All right, real quick, here's the speakers that Tony sent me. They're Ds18s. There's 4 of them. Mid-range. Here's what they are. Pro GM 8.4s. So these 8-inch mid-range. 4 ohms. 190 RMS, max power is 580, 94 decimals, frequency response 90 hertz to 10 kilohertz, got a 1.5 inch voice coil, and paper cone, paper dust cap, surround cloth, basket steel, ferrite magnet, 30 ounce. We like it loud, Ds18. Let's open one up. They're all the same, so we ain't got to sit here and open each one, you know what I mean? So we'll just open up one. Come with the owner's manuals. It has all the specs and your cutouts and your depth and everything. Small parameters, measurements. Just that basic stuff. It's got oh cool, they come with the cutout template. That helps out since these are 8s. I'm used to 6.5s or my 15s. And I got my little tool that does this, but this will help. I won't even have to use it. I can just pop this out and put these in there. Here they are in the plastic. Okay, out. Get it out the plastic. Bought these brand new, didn't even use them. You might have tested them out maybe, but I don't know what that is on there. It's a little dusty, but I had to solder to these ones, just like my 6.5, same thing. So they got 2 or 4 posts, 2 on each one for positive and negative. That's good. So if you're going to come in this way, you're going to come in this way right here. So that's decent. Big, thick, heavy magnet on it. It's got the venting down in it. And these are really nice. This is going to make my car come to life. I got Ds18 Pro tweeters too. They're behind the seat. And they got the Force car 6.5, and then I'll have 4 of these. And I'm going to rebuild the 4th order. Once I get moved, I'm going to rebuild that. And I'm going to put these either on a stunt wall or maybe 2 on each side of the door with a 6.5 and a tweeter on door pods. And then 2 of these in the back on a stunt wall with 2 6.5 and 2 tweeters. And because I still got the sundown. I know it's dusty. It's been sitting in here. That's the one I got to send back. And I got that Rockville amp there. So that's the 8 channel. So anyway, we got 4 of these. 2 there. And there's 2 more in the box. So we got 4 of them. There's no DS18 box they put it into. But hell yeah, that's what's up, Tony. Thank you, man. That was for helping him out. He got the other B2 15 in, so he's happy about that. Now he can complete his 4th order, which is badass, dude. He's got 4 B2 15 Rampages on, I don't know, 90,000 watts or something like that. It's like, I don't know how many, 6 or 7, maybe 8 a base 15Ks. You guys will see it this year at the show when we go. And I got to get my, like I said, my sundown amp fixed. That way I got both my 6K strapped again. And I'm going to have, I got that Matt's amp, but I might put the Rockville in it too. Anyway, guys, real quick edit. Tony doesn't have 4 B2 15 Rampages. He's got 6. He only had 5 and he needed 1 more. And he just got it. Now he's got all 6. And he's got like, I think like 8 base 15Ks. Just a real quick edit so I don't have to cut that out of the video or whatever. Thanks for watching Bass Junkie 2020 and be sure to check out my demo. It was fixing a storm, which is going to rain at 11 tonight. So it's already clouding up and it's been real windy. It was like blowing my car all over the road on the way home. So when I'm trying to float the bags in the window, it's sucking them out. That's why I had to kind of hold on to them and stuff. So, but anyway, and if you like the song, Pop Your Trunk by Yellow Wolf, post in the comment, tell me you like it, and then I'll put it up just like I did the other songs, like Posse on Broadway and 808 Bending and all those, and Bass Mechanic. Anyway, I do that for you guys because I can't monetize those. If they are monetized, it's by the owner. So, but anyway, appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Like!
DJ Slow and Throw. Meth lab in the back and the crack smoke peels through the streets like an early morning fog. Mama's in the slaughterhouse with the hatchet, but dad they chop early morning hog. Catching Z's like an early morning song when I woke up to the racket, yawning balls. What the fuck, man, I can never get sleep, man. Peep out the window, what's wrong with y'all? Stood up in my clips and died. I'm up in my sweatpants and pulled my pillow. I was like, trying to sleep. You gotta know Mossberg and the muscle broke up a bag laying in the back of the dump. Boy, don't make me go out the draw. Think he's playing. You better listen what he's saying. Mossberg and the muscle broke up a bag laying in the back of the dump. Boy, don't make me go out the draw. Pulling up dirty smoking damage up the back of the hood. It's my car. Sticking over some super hot beats with a super hot freak because I'm parking lot. You know we sipping on that old brown bottle. Bass in the trunk make the whole town wobble. So when we ride around, bitches smile. Tonight with the bitches is up the most proud. Boys favorite bitches. And he's been on his own biz for a minute. And I think he's ready to handle his business. So we never will fit this. And he ended in the Cartier watch. It was on his wrist. Ready to handle his business. So we never will fit this. And he ended in the Cartier watch. It was on his wrist. He said, watch this shit. And he told me, let me grab this biscuit. Biscuit, think he's playing. You better listen what he's saying. Punk, don't make me go pop the drum. On you. You gotta know the Mossberg and the muscle broke up a bag laying in the back of the dump. Boy, don't make me go pop the drum. On you. Think he's playing. Buckshot to the chest with a rock salt shell in his movie slow. All this blood is spilled. Enough to give a big one kids. Hot enough to make the potato smoke at the tip of the hollow steel. In the belly of the hollow field. In the belly of the hollow field. This ain't a leak in my imagination, but this is where I deal. Bama. Woke up a bag laying in the back of the dump. Boy, don't make me go pop the drum. On you. Think he's playing. You better listen what he's saying, punk. Don't make me go pop the drum. Carno, spitting over some super hot beats with a super hot freak. We call the parking lot ho. You know we sipping on that old brown bottle. Bass in the trunk make the whole town wobble. So when we ride around, bitches follow. Tonight one of the bitches is sipping North problem. You better listen what he's saying, punk. Don't make me go pop the drum. On you. You gotta know the Mossberg and the muscle broke up a bag laying in the back of the dump. Boy, think he's playing. Don't make me go pop the drum. Two-man stand. One's gotta go. One falls down to the ground. One walks down to the road. Mama better call the police. Now he's screaming no. Took a buckshot to the chest with a rock salt shell in his movie slow. All this blood is spilled, enough to give a penguin chills. Hot enough to make the potato smoke at the tip of the hollow steel. In the valley of the hollow field. In the valley of the hollow field. This ain't a leak into my imagination, buddy. This is where I deal. Bama. Think he's playing? You better go out the drum. You gotta know Mossberg and the muscle broke up a bag laying in the back of the dump. Boy, don't make me